now we're heading up to pick up our Amazon pallets in Tampa. He usually hooks us up pretty nice. He's a good friend of Tom's. He usually hooks them up really nice. You know, we get some pretty good pallets from him. Sometimes we get small, sometimes we don't, but either way, we still get some pretty good stuff to profit from. Yeah, it's mellow right now. I mean, there's one point in time I was driving, I think towards the end of this strip right here, and I swear my head was just like going all over the place, and no, it was bad. It was really bad. Yeah, this whole strip, man, I don't know what's up with this road. It's just this strip right here. It's about 3 miles. It cuts off. Once it cuts off, it's gonna be so smooth, so straight. It won't even feel like we're on the road anymore. You know, from here it just looks like every other lane, every other road on I-4, but you can definitely feel the difference. How fast? I'm only 65 right now. You know, if you zoom in the gauge, it says the max is 85, but you can floor this pedal all the way to the ground and you ain't going no faster than 70. So I'm thinking that's more of like you're going downhill. You'll probably hit 75, but I think my max speed was 69, which is perfect because you literally cannot speed in this truck on I-4. You know, your limit's 70, you can't even go past 70 if you tried. So it's kind of balanced itself out, but. Yes, okay. Got it. This is where all the magic happens. Like you said, we kind of don't have to do much. You know, just waiting for him to bring it out to us and then we load it up. I have to ask, but this is kind of usually, you know, you never know what you're gonna get here. You know what I mean? It's always something new every single day. Are these us right here?
Yeah, these 4.
All right, cool. All right, so all in all, I mean, not too bad. Got some decent stuff, but a little disappointed. I've never came all the way out here just for 4 pallets before. I'm sure we're getting a lot more here soon. It's just the getting Amazon pallets been a little struggle. Really shouldn't be.
All right.
Yeah, we should definitely, hopefully by next week, we should be getting at least double that. So usually, sometimes, apparently, which I wasn't 100% aware of this, I guess we had some issues about starting up the truck. I just confirmed it last night. You turn on the on position. It takes a while. This isn't like a regular car where you can just crank it up right away. You know, you have to wait for it to adjust up. You know, all those icons disappeared. Wait for the other ones. I think that one goes away too. Yeah, awesome. The only thing you want to see is your parking brake right here. Sometimes people turn it on, you still got all this shit up here. Eventually, it starts causing some hectic issues with mainly with our engine or transmission. Yeah, that was a lot cleaner startup. Sometimes I've heard this thing try to crank up like 6 different times. That is really bad for this engine, especially big diesel trucks like this. You don't want to mess with it too hardcore. You just want to make sure you do everything properly, nice, coordinated, professional. At least we try to be.
Back-end cleanup kit. Dire times call for dire measures. You never know when you're going to need it.
Claim it as the world's smallest multimedia flip phone. It does music and everything.
What is it running?
Some custom operating system.
Oh, interesting.
Even has a standard headphone jack on it, so you can use your regular earbuds with it, and it's got Bluetooth in it and all sorts of crazy things.
I don't trust you. Well, that's a little bit too much for the camera. No, I don't trust you. No. Oh, you broke your nail.
He's got the camera on me, so I can't do the other finger.